Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are freeway earning websites. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you Ripple. Ripple is one of the base another base cryptocurrency. You can withdraw it, and this website total pay this much Ripple. Okay, and this is the all payment proof of Ripple. The first, you could click register. You can register yourself, put your username, first and last name, password, and confirm password. You can easily register yourself. Just I click login. This website link available in description to show you how you can earn from this website. This is one of the best cryptocurrency you can earn, and that's it. Just I click login to show you how you can start earning from this website from today. Okay, this is the all website look, and you can start earning. The first way is the surfing ads. The surfing ads is one of the best way. You can surfing ads, just watching advertisement like a timer, with a timer, and you can earn your free cryptocurrency with the advertisement. Okay, just click I'm not a robot, just click Gemini. Okay, just click profile, just click earn. Okay, just click earn, and you can enter in this page, and if you watch this advertisement you can earn this much XRP. Okay, just click view, wait few seconds, maybe 80 seconds. Okay, this will be duration is 80 seconds. I just pause the video. After finishing 80 seconds I come back and share with you how you can earn it. Okay, that's it, and you can see I watch advertisement and I earn. Just I reload the page to show me. Okay, you can see I earned this much XRP, and that's it. And you can watch all of the advertisement. Every one capture you can watch 5 advertisement. The next is save the short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn this much XRP. Okay, after 10 or 5 days or hard work you can easily withdraw your funds. Okay, right now I share with you the withdraw. How much is your minimum withdraw? If you would want to withdraw to your wallet, okay, click the wallet. You just place your wallet address in here. Okay, enter address. Okay, tag or something. You can easily withdraw. The minimum withdraw is 5 Ripple. Okay, the 5 Ripple is the minimum withdraw. You can withdraw to microput. I will be share with you the microput wallet address in the next video. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a freeway earning websites. Bye bye for now.